So guys, let's marinate our chicken. So this is how we're going to do to all of them, so we can have a bit of sweetness to the bone. The chicken is already washed. It's just to marinate it. So I'm going to put some here, Ashley. So I'm going to be here. How many is that? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 7. Okay. I'm going to marinate it because I want to use different sauce. So I'm going to use. What is this?
Ginger.
Good. Heavenly, what is this one? Heavenly, wait, you answer the other one. Heavenly, what is this? Look at it. What is that?
Heavy smell. Nein, Heavy, riech doch.
You were saying it already. Come on. What is it?
I know.
Your mouth is already saying it. Complete it. What is it, Heaven?
Paprika.
Nah, that is not paprika. Hot chili. Pepper.
From Africa.
You said pepper. Hot chili from Africa. Very spicy, very hot.
This is Italian herbs.
Yeah, this is Italian herbs. Also on that. Richard, what is this? What is this?
Easy. Salt.
Salt.
Okay, you don't have enough. Harry, versteht das dann? Dies bei mein Fest damals. Oh, Mommy, I need €1 for tomorrow.
€1 for tomorrow. €8 for what?
For the museum.
Who is going to museum? Where's the paper they give to you from museum?
You will not get paper for that.
So why would they just say €8 without a paper, without a letter?
I don't know.
There must be a paper, there must be a letter.
There's no letter.
Then we have to check my email. It's 100%. They cannot just bring €8 without a letter. Even the €7 they ask people to bring last time, they also bring a letter. €1 is understandable, but €8 they always send a letter.
We should bring seven. We should bring €7 for the shop.
Okay, yes, correct. Thought I miss it.
You put in this one also then, sir?
No, in the other one.
In this one.
Bring out the black pepper. Liam, leave there.
Yes.
There is that. Now you have golden hands.
Wash your hands, Ashley. You marinate this one.
Well,
Everywhere is it? Soap.
No, I mean, am I also wearing hand gloves for that?
You can wear hand gloves.
Okay, then I'm wearing this hand gloves.
Then we don't wash your hands with soap. Just wash your hands, wear hand gloves, and wash your hands again. Because I don't want the hand glove and this thing on it. Black
Where's
pepper
the
on
hand
it.
glove?
You don't know where hand gloves is anymore. Emily, come and open this pepper.
Pepper? Which one? This one?
Yes, the hot chili.
Here.
You close it back. Be careful. Yeah, that's enough now.
I'm like,
And wash your hands. Wash it. Close it properly. Yeah, go and wash your hands.
I'm running.
Now that is so chill. There. Actually, still wearing hand gloves.
I want that though. What hand towel?
Okay,
What hand towel?
so that's ready.
That's it.
What family? This is Avia.
Oh.
Wash your hands. Wash it out. Yeah. Yeah. Come here. Only yeah. Marinate this one. What are you smiling? What are you smiling for? It's cooking time. Hey, hey! Get it off.
Okay.
Actually, rough handle it a little bit. Yes, that way to press in. Good. Yeah,
Done?
it's okay. I just put it on.
And so can I pull now the handshoe?
Yeah. You didn't take Sprite your favorite. What happened?
Okay.
Wow, that's Ashley. Hey, drink and come and peel the potatoes. We have more potatoes here.